Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to restore a deleted chat in Telegram. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, the first method, okay, for example, you just recently deleted the message. Well, go ahead and uninstall the Telegram app. Uninstall it, and once that's done, install it again. So what will happen when you install it again is that Telegram got a backup, okay, of your messages and content. So just basically install the app again, and we'll open up a prompt that says restore chat. Okay, go ahead and select that option. Now, once done, hopefully your chat will be restored. Now, the other option is by contacting Telegram support. So go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just type down telegram.org/support. And then just tap on it to open it up. And in here, describe a problem. Hi, I would like help restoring my deleted chat. It was deleted a few hours ago. Can someone help me? Just like so. And then enter your full legal name that is tied to your Telegram account, your email, and your phone number. Okay. And once that's done, just hit on submit. If there's this verification process right here, just tap on it. Okay. If it says success, now you can go ahead and tap on submit. And just wait for Telegram support's reply and continue chatting with them. All right. Now, those are 2 ways to restore a deleted chat in Telegram. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.